This is the yacht hut. 8 years since it was constructed. So as you guys can see, it's still standing and there's nothing wrong with it. It's got a new roof, a fire pit, fireplace for bonfires. We have the fishing flags on both ends. And let me just show you how the amenities look. So that's the shed. These are the showers and the toilet. Here's the porch. And on the porch you guys can see the small fridge and a microwave. This is a very nice place to have breakfasts in. And here I'm showing you the inside of the hut. That's how it looks. It's still very cozy and cool. Now it's summer, so about 30 centigrade, 25, 30. And it's very nice to stay here. In addition is the TV, SAT TV, and a small heater which warms up the hut even in winter, even if it's minus. It gets it up to 26 centigrade, so very cool. The hut is insulated, so you can stay in the winter as well. Alright, and now going down the stairs. A new addition is also this lounge, garden lounge set, relaxing set. And that's how it looks from this side.